Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 9 Vital Villages, Thriving Towns. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Other Means of Exchange. This comprises 22 questions. Question 1. Other means of exchange is a short poem from dash. The options are Sangha collection, Sangam collection, Vinaya Pitaka, Upanishad. Your time to choose. And the answer is Sangam collection. So, Other Means of Exchange is a short poem from Sangam collection. Question 2. Dash is a short poem from Sangam collection. The options are The Clever Poor Man, The River, The Unknown Sailor, Other Means of Exchange. Your time to choose. And the answer is Other Means of Exchange. So, Other Means of Exchange is a short poem from Sangam collection. Question 3. Other Means of Exchange is dash from Sangam collection. The options are a short story, a parable, a short poem, a song. Your time to choose. And the answer is a short poem. So, Other Means of Exchange is a short poem from Sangam collection. Next question. As they dash the white paddy of their land. The options are import, export, carry, produce. Your time to choose. And the answer is carry. So, as they carry the white paddy of their land. Question 5. As they carry dash of their land. The options are the brown paddy, the grain, the white paddy, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is the white paddy. So, as they carry the white paddy of their land. Next question 6. As they carry the white paddy of dash. The options are their land, their soil, their neighbors, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is their land. So, as they carry the white paddy of their land. Question 7. They carried the white paddy of their land to dash for the salt of another. The options are sell it, sacrifice it, exchange it, bargain it. Your time to choose. And the answer is exchange it. So, they carried the white paddy of their land to exchange it for the salt of another. Question 8. They dash in carts to carry their white paddy to exchange for salt of another. The options are sat, stocked up, experimented, crossed long roads. Your time to choose. And the answer is crossed long roads. So, they crossed long roads in carts to carry their white paddy to exchange for salt of another. Question 9. They crossed long roads in dash to carry their white paddy to exchange for salt of another. The options are caravans, carts, camels, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is carts. So, they crossed long roads in carts to carry their white paddy to exchange for salt of another. Question 10. They crossed long roads in carts through dash as white as moonlight. The options are mud, sands, soil, landscape. Your time to choose. And the answer is sands. So, they crossed long roads in carts through sands as white as moonlight. Next question 11. They crossed long roads in carts through sands as dash. The options are brown as mud, hot as the sun, light as air, white as moonlight. Your time to choose. And the answer is white as moonlight. So, they crossed long roads in carts through sands as white as moonlight. Question 12. They crossed long roads in carts with dash. The options are all their cattle, whole families, guards, whole villages. Your time to choose. And the answer is whole families. So, they crossed long roads in carts with whole families. Question 13. They crossed long roads in carts, taking whole families who dash. The options are love trading, love adventure, hate villages, hate to be left behind. Your time to choose. And the answer is hate to be left behind. So, they crossed long roads in carts, taking whole families who hate to be left behind. Question 14. Dash of the salt merchants leave the city empty. The options are the arrival, the departure, the visiting, the tiredness. Your time to choose. And the answer is the departure. So, the departure of the salt merchants leaves the city empty. Question 15. The departure of dash leaves the city empty. The options are the traders, the paddy merchants, the salt merchants, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is the salt merchants. So, The departure of the salt merchants leaves the city empty. Next question, 16. The departure of the salt merchants dash. The options are creates a market, brings prosperity, leaves the city empty, leaves the village empty. Your time to choose. And the answer is leaves the city empty. So, the departures of the salt merchants leaves the city empty. Question 17. Dash was produced plentifully along the sea coast. The options are salt, fish, coconut, rubber. Your time to choose. And the answer is salt. So, salt was produced plentifully along the sea coast. Question 18. Salt was dash plentifully along the sea coast. The options are refined, collected, produced, sold. Your time to choose. And the answer is produced. So, salt was produced plentifully along the sea coast. Question 19. Salt was produced dash along the sea coast. The options are in tranches, plentifully, in certain bays, in licensed sites. Your time to choose. And the answer is plentifully. So, salt was produced plentifully along the sea coast. Question 20. Salt was produced plentifully dash. The options are along the Indus River, in Harappa, along the riverbed, along the sea coast. Your time to choose. And the answer is along the sea coast. So, salt was produced plentifully along the sea coast. Next question, 21. The merchants were planning to exchange dash. The options are salt with carts, cattle with salt, white paddy with sand, white paddy with salt. Your time to choose. And the answer is white paddy with salt. So, the merchants were planning to exchange white paddy with salt. Last question, question 22. The merchants are traveling dash. The options are in caravans, in carts, along roadways, with guards. Your time to choose. And the answer is in carts. So, the merchants are traveling in carts. Okay, so in this video, we learnt every point in the section Other Means of Exchange. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Cities with Many Functions. I'll see you there.